Dr. White back again with the second part in our little series on raising issues over GitHub. So we have an issue on our repository. If someone else besides yourself has raised the issue, you're going to get a notification from GitHub in your email. I raised the issue on myself, so I did not get such a notification. But one way or another, you come to the web page and you see that now there's some issues, and you can navigate to the issue and take a look at it. This is currently an open issue. Open issues are great. They're like your to-do list for the repository, a great way to keep yourself organized and on task. So you read the issue and decide, that's a good point. Let's resize back down. You decide that's a good point. Why don't we get this smaller? Why don't we respond to this issue? Let's fix this. And so you head to your computer. You get to your repository locally. You bring up your editor and you fix the issue. So here I've got index.md, and I've added in to that little highlight call in my Hugo here, the desired artist.forEach get ID. And also I added a little note on exactly how exec is working, together with a reference. Here you can see a link to a little help site where people can learn more about how exec works. That's this site right here. So looks like this might be a good thing. Let's go ahead back to the editor, and you should certainly check to see if everything looks right by running Hugo serve, which I'm doing here over in this terminal. So checking the local host, I look and just make sure that my fix is correct. Yes, I've got this in the code. I've got my note. You check for any typos. I keep making changes until you're happy. Once you make your changes, then you want to commit them. So git add all. And now, this is a little trick I'm just going to try out here. Let's see if it works. I would like my commit to actually close the issue and announce the closure with a nice reference to the commit that actually fixes it. And when I was thinking about this, could it be done? I found this old blog post from GitHub that says if you word your comments a certain way, then you can actually get this closure to happen automatically. So fixes number 33 would be like a way to fix issue number 33 on your repo. Would be a way to close out that issue. There are other keywords that you could use in the comment message, but you need to have a number for your issue as well. I've never tried this before. Let me see if it'll work. So git commit -m, and I'm going to say fixes, and then the number of my issue was number 1. Okay, we've made the commit, and now let's push up. Okay, let's head back to the GitHub repository. And look at that. I have a little addendum. Homer Hanamat closed this in, and then there's a little bit of a SHA number to the commit that did this. And if I were to click on that, then you actually get a kind of a look at the diff. You get to see the changes that were made in response to the issue. That's very handy to have. In addition, we see that now there are no open issues. there's just the one closed issue. So closing an issue is really great in terms of managing your task list for your repository. You could also close an issue by just adding a comment, and there's like a close button that you can push. But this little fixes in your commit message is a great way to add the link to the exact commit that fixed the issue. That really helps clarify things for you and for everyone else who was watching. So I hope that this was helpful, and I'll see you again some other time.